Transform your Webflow website's personality with the power of custom Google fonts. Ready to make your text truly shine? It's surprisingly simple to bring the vast library of Google fonts right into your Webflow project. First, let's head over to Google Fonts. This is your gateway to thousands of high-quality, free-house fonts. Browse through the categories. Find a font that perfectly matches your website's mood and message, or use the search bar if you have a specific font in mind. Once you've found a font you love, click on it. You'll then see options to select specific weights and styles of that font. For this tutorial, let's select a few common weights. Now, look for the Embed code section. You'll want to copy this block of code. It's what tells Google to serve your chosen fonts to your website. Now, back in your Webflow designer, we need to add this code. Click on the project settings gear icon, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. In the project settings, find the custom code tab here. You'll paste the embed code you copied from Google Fonts directly into the area labeled before an LT/body and GT tag. Make sure it's within that specific section as instructed. After pasting the code, simply click Save Changes to apply it. Now for the exciting part, applying your new font. Select any text element on your Webflow canvas. In the Style panel, click on the Font Family dropdown. You'll notice your newly added Google fonts are now listed there. Ready to be chosen, just select your desired font. And just like that, your text is transformed. You can now apply this font to any text element across your website. You can also go back to Google Fonts, grab more styles and weights, and repeat the same process to add them into your project. Elevated typography is a powerful way to enhance visual appeal and make your website unforgettable.